Hi GFC PE students, welcome to week 2. We're going to focus on cardiorespiratory endurance this week. A couple key things for you. Cardiorespiratory endurance gives you a lot of benefit. I know I've started running this week. Actually, I started running last week. I've only done a couple miles at a time, but I felt so much better after I did it. I had more energy. I felt good to move. I had to, of course, run on the treadmill downstairs, but hopefully you'll start getting outside tomorrow. Some things with cardiorespiratory endurance. It helps increase your muscle heart strength. It has stress reduction benefits, will help your mood and self-esteem, and also improves your sleep. What aerobic exercise does for your health. Regardless of age, weight, or athletic ability, aerobic activity is good for you. Aerobic activity has many health benefits, no matter what your age. As your body adapts to regular exercise, you'll get stronger and fitter. Some of the other ways that aerobic activity can help you feel better and enjoy life to the fullest. Increase your stamina, fitness, and strength. You might feel a little tired at the start, but after you continue to do exercise, you're going to develop that stamina and you're going to feel so much better. It's also good to help ward off viral illness. It helps boost your immune system. Also help reduce your health risks and boost your mood. You might feel, again, kind of tired and not ready for exercise, but the oxygen increase in your lungs and your heart, you're going to feel so much better after you do that. It'll help release tension or an anxiety and can improve your sleep. All right, next we have our workout. It's that simple. So what you're going to do today is you're going to do an organized workout, including the exercises from Derby. There'll be a list in your Google Classroom library. If you're not sure how it is, you can go to the link and search the library. There'll be a video on that activity. You're going to perform all of these exercises, one right after the other, for 20 reps at a moderate pace. So you shouldn't be fully out of breath, but you should feel like you're working pretty hard. After the last exercise, take a 30-second rest and then repeat those exercises. The goal is to complete a total of 15 minutes only. If it's nice outside, it's supposed to be 50 degrees. Try to get outside and move. You'll feel so much better for it. Go ahead and do the warm-up, torso twists, high knees, squats, butt kicks, and arm circles. And then go to sprinter lunges, half jacks, seal jacks, hops, and burpees. Again, if you're not quite sure what the activity is, you can go to that link, you can click on it, and it'll show you an example of that activity. It'll go right to that link. Again, if you hover over half jacks, it'll show you what half jacks is. And we'll take you to a video and show you exactly what half jacks is. And half jacks is just moving your feet. So if you're not sure exactly what to do or how to get to there, go ahead and click on that link. Same thing with seal jacks, hops, and burpees. Make sure you answer your reflection questions at the end. We're going to focus on cardiorespiratory endurance this week. Hope everybody's staying well, and we'll talk to you again on our next day. Have a good day.